Hello students, today let us continue solving problem set 7 of 10th standard maths part 2nd geometry. In that chapter number 7 mensuration, question number 10. In this figure, segment AB is a chord of a circle with center P. If PA is 8 centimeter, PA is 8 centimeter and distance of a chord AB from the center P is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded portion. We have to find out the area of this shaded portion. Okay. See, here is a circle with center P. PA and PB are two radii of this circle. Okay. So first, see, in this we have, what is the question here? Area of a shaded portion. We have to find out the area of a shaded portion. This is a segment. AB is a line segment. This is called chord. Okay. So we have to find out the area of this portion means first we have to find out, see, sector. We have to find out the sector PAB. First, see, this is fully one sector, no, that we know. This is fully one sector. So first we have to find out the area of the sector PAB. How to name a sector? PAB. No, this is sector. First we have to find out the area of the sector. What is the formula for to find out the area of the sector? Area of the sector is theta by 360 multiplied by pi r square. No, this is a formula. That, see, here in this, theta we don't know, pi we know, and r also we know. R is 8 centimeter here. Theta, that we have to find out. Theta is not given, therefore we have to find out theta. Therefore let APM, see, let this here is M, let this be M, P and M. Okay, this, let this be M. Let PM be the given distance from the center to its chord, that is 4 centimeter, and let APM be theta. This be theta. Let's consider that this is theta. Okay, let us assume that this is theta. So that we can find out theta by using trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? Sine, cos and tan. These are the trigonometric ratios, so on. Tan, cosec, secant and cot. That we know, not necessarily. Sine, cos, tan. So in this, see, if this is theta, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse, that we know. No, here it is hypotenuse is given and adjacent is given. Therefore we can find opposite is not there, so we can find out. See how to remember? O, A, O. No, H, H and A. This is the way you have to remember. See, this is sine, opposite by hypotenuse. This is cos, adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent, this is theta, means this is opposite, this is adjacent. Therefore adjacent by hypotenuse, this we know. Therefore we can find out cos theta. In this way we can, by using a trigonometric ratio, we can find out theta. Okay. So first let's write the, let PM, let PM be the given distance. Be the given distance from the center to its chord, its chord of the circle, chord of the circle, not its, to the chord of the circle. Let APM, let angle APM be theta. Okay, angle APM be theta. Therefore we can use trigonometric ratios now. There, see here, see, this is, see, this is perpendicular. See, from the center, this is a perpendicular line. No, this, drawing a perpendicular line from the center to its chord, it bisects the chord. Therefore AM equal to MB, and this is a perpendicular line. Therefore this is 90 degree. Therefore triangle AMP is a right angle triangle. Therefore in right angle triangle, AMP, now we can find out cos theta. Therefore cos theta is opposite, adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, that is adjacent is PM by AP or PA. What is PM? PM is 4, PA is 8, that is 4 1s are 4 2s are 1 by 2, that is cos theta is 1 by 2. When cos theta is 1 by 2, we know cos theta, cos 60 degree is trigonometry table. Okay, this is cos 60 is 1 by 2. No, this is, therefore here cos theta means half, as cos theta is half. Therefore theta is 60 degree. Cos 60 is half. Therefore cos theta is 60 degree. Means angle APM is 60 degree. Therefore angle APM is 60 degree. Now angle APM, similarly angle BPM is also 60 degree. Similarly angle BPM, see this angle BPM, this is also 60 degree. We can prove that this is also 60 degree. Okay, therefore angle APM plus angle BPM, see this is the 60 degree, angle APM is also 60 degree, angle BPM also 60 degree. That is 60 plus 60, that is 120 degree. APM and BPM means what? APB, that is angle APB is 120 degree. What is APB? Angle APB? Angle APB is central angle, measure of a central. See this is, if this is central angle is 120, then measure of arc is also 120 degree, that we know. No, measure of arc is equal to its central angle. Therefore angle APB is a 120 degree. Therefore measure of arc AB is equal to angle APB, that is 120 degree. No, see this is theta, let APM is theta, therefore APB here, this, let this be theta 1. No, we need now, so therefore now we can find out the area of the sector. Okay, therefore area of sector. Okay, now we'll write here like this, area of sector PAB. See this is what is a formula for area of a sector, that is theta. Here theta 1 we have to take because central angle, no, theta 1 divided by 360, theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square, this is a formula. No, therefore theta 1 is 120 divided by 360 multiplied by pi is given 3.14, that is given in the question, and r is radius. What's the radius here? 8 square, 8 multiplied by 8. So this 0 gone, 3 times, no, 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. Now let this be, so 1 here remain is 3.14 multiplied by 64 divided by 3. So we'll see this is 3.14 multiplied by 64. This we'll have to do. No, yeah, 3.14. 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 1s are 4, 1, 5. Then see 6 4s are 24, 2, 18, 6, 9, 0, 1, 9, 10, 2 divided by 3. Answer is, see it is better, always do like this only, easy way. 3, 18, 10, 8, 2, 20, 6, 18. Okay, then again it is 2, this is 29. Here we have to put decimal point 1 2 1 2 200. See here we have to put decimal point, therefore it comes decimal point here. Therefore 27, 2, then 6, 8 time 24, 2, 20, 6, 18, 2, so on. So the answer is 66.986. So if you write round figure 66 point, see here 6, so that you can make it 9. More than 5, no, you can make it 8 becomes 9. So 9 centimeter square. This is the area of a sector. So directly I'll write here, this is 66.99 centimeter square. What is this? This area of a sector. Okay. Now we know the area of this sector. No, we know. See, we know the area of this sector. See, we have to find out the area of the shaded portion. Only shaded portion we have to find out. We know the area of the sector. Area of the sector we know, but now we have to find out area of this triangle. See, area of the sector minus area of this triangle, that gives area of the shaded portion. No, for area of a triangle, now we have to find out area of a triangle. What is the formula for area of a triangle? Area of triangle is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. No, that we know. This is a simple one. Half. Here half. Height we know. Height, this PM. This is a triangle here. See, this is a triangle. No. For this is a height from P to M. See, from the center to the chord. This is height. That is, B is height is 4. Base. Here base is AB. AB we don't know. AB. How to find out AB? We can find out. So, see, this is a right angle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. In this, we can use Pythagoras theorem also. We can use Pythagoras theorem, because these two sides we know. We can find out AM, and AM is double. They are equal. AM equal to A. In that way also we can find out. We can use Pythagoras theorem also. In trigonometric ratio also we can use. Now we know the theta. What is theta? Theta is 60. Okay, theta is 60. No, see, here is a circle. See, this is circle. This is our line segment. No, this is this portion, and this is center. See, okay, this is 90 degree. This is P and this is AB. Okay. Now we can use, this is 8 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Now we can use Pythagoras theorem also. What Pythagoras theorem says? AP square equal to PM square. This is M. PM square plus, means the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. In that way also. Otherwise we can use, this is theta. This is theta. Theta what? Theta is 60 degree. No, we know. See, theta. Here theta. This theta. Angle APM is 60 degree. We can use trigonometric ratio. Which trigonometric ratio we can use? Trigonometric ratio we can use tan 60, tan or sine, anything. See, tan 60. Tan 60. What is tan 60? Tan is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is this is theta. Opposite is AM. AM divided by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. AM by PM. AM by PM. What is AM? AM we don't know, but tan 60 we know. What is the tan 60 trigonometry table? Root 3. That root 3 value here is given. Okay. Tan 60 root 3. Then AM we don't know. PM we know. No. Adjacent is PM is no. PM not AM. Opposite. Okay. PM is 4. See, we'll write here without. See here. So we have to find out the area of a triangle now. So let's take in triangle PMA, in right angle triangle PMA. Okay, in triangle PMA, this is theta. Tan theta, tan 60. This is 60. Angle P60, therefore tan 60. Tan is opposite by adjacent. That is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AM by adjacent is PM. That is AM. Let it be. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to AM is 4. AM is 4. PM. AM that we don't know. AM that we don't know. PM is 4. Okay. Therefore, AM cross multiplication 4 root 3. This is in centimeter. AM is 4 root 3. This AM is 4 root 3. We know. So let's write. Perpendicular drawn from the center to its chord is bisects the chord. Therefore, AM equal to MB. Okay. Now let's write. PM is perpendicular to AB. PM is perpendicular to AB. Okay. Now perpendicular drawn from the center from the center to its chord bisects the chord. This all we know, no, bisects the chord. Therefore, AM, this is AM is half of AB. AM is half of AB, no, half of AB. That is AM we know 4, half of AB. Therefore, here also cross multiplication. Therefore, AB is 4 multiplied by 2. That is 8. Here 4 root 3. AM is 4 root 3 again. See, I made mistake here. AM is, see, AM is 4 root 3 equal to half into AB. Therefore, AB is cross multiplication 4 root 3 multiplied by 2. That is 4 2s are 8. 8 root 3. This is AB is 8 root 3 centimeter. Now we can find out the area of a triangle. Therefore, area of a triangle, therefore area of triangle APB. APB is, that is half into base. Base is AB. Half base multiplied by height. Base multiplied by height. Let this be formula. Base is half into base. AB is, that is AB, into height is PM. That is half into AB is 8 root 3 multiplied by PM is 4. PM is 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. This is 16. See, 8 2s are 16 root 3 area, that is centimeter square. Area of a triangle APB is 16 root 3 centimeter square. Here we have to put the value also. This is 16. This is 16 multiplied by root 3. Root 3 value that is given here, see, root 3 is 1.73. 1.73. 1.73 multiplied by 16. Three 7 1 8 6 7 2 1 2 27.68. This is 27.68 centimeter square. This is area of triangle APB. Okay, area of triangle APB. Area of triangle APB is 27.68 centimeter square. Now, see, now we know this area of whole sector, that PAB, we know, and area of triangle also we know. So, area of sector minus area of this triangle, that gives the shaded portion. Okay, that is what question? Area of the shaded portion. Okay, therefore, area of segment AB, now, therefore, area of segment AB is area of sector PAB, PAB minus area of triangle APB. Okay. Now substitute the values. Area of sector PAB is 66.9. This is 66.99 minus area of triangle APB is 27.68. So minus it, 66.99 minus 27.68. This is 27, no? Yeah, 27. So bring from here, becomes 16, and this becomes 5. Okay, 16, 10, 7, 3, 9. And then here it is 5, 5, 2, 3. 39.31. 39.31 area. This is, therefore this is the area of segment AB. Answer is, what is the question here? Area of a shaded portion. Area of segment AB. Like that also you can write. Area of a shaded portion also you can write. Area of segment AB, that is 39.31 centimeter square. This is the answer. Easy one. Just you have to, okay. Now question number 11 is an activity. Okay, so in this figure, square ABCD is inscribed in the sector APCQ. APCQ. This is a sector, no? APCQ is a sector. So square ABCD is inscribed in sector APCQ. The radius of the sector CBXD is 20 centimeter. See, this is 20 centimeter. See, CBXD means C is a center. See, this is a portion of a circle. So if you draw circle like this, this becomes a center and this becomes a radius, no? CB and CD. See, this is 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter. Okay, this is 20 centimeter. Complete the following activity. See, side of a square ABCD equal to radius of the sector, that is CBXD. See, if you draw a circle like this, okay, this become a center and this CB and CD are, these two are radii of this circle, no? And this is a sector CBXD, that is side of a square equal to radius of a sector, that is 20. This is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Area of a square, here side square, no? That is here 20 square. That is 20 square, side is 20 square, that is 20 is 400. This is a area of a square. We have to write here centimeter square. We have to write centimeter square. 400 centimeter square. Area of the shaded region inside the square. This is square. ABCD is a square. Area of the shaded region inside the square, only inside the square, is equal to area of a square ABCD minus area of the sector CBXD. See, area of a square ABCD minus area of the sector CBXD. That is, here we have to write the first, you have to write the formula. Here side square, area of a square ABCD, you have to write side square, no? See, area, from here only you can, area of the square is side square, you have to write here side square minus theta by 360, that is, this is area of the square ABCD is a formula, minus area of the sector CBXD is theta by 360, this is the formula. Now side square, we have to write side square 20 square here, no? Side square 20 square minus this, theta is 90, this is a square, so all measures 90 degree, no? 90 by 360, pi is 3.14 and multiplied by, this is r, pi r square is r, radius, this is 1 r and this is 1 r, 20 multiplied by 20, r square, 20 multiplied by 20, 400. Therefore this is 400 minus 314, 340. If you simplify this, see like this, 0, 0. This is given, no? 3, yeah, this is, here it is given. See, 314, that is given. If you simplify this, you get this 314. So 400 minus 314. See, 0. Here also 0 you have to bring from here. This becomes 10. From here you have to, this becomes 10. This becomes 9 now. This becomes 3. Okay. So here it is 10, 10, 4, 6. Here it is 9, 1, 8. 86. So right, 86. What is this? Area of a shaded region, that is centimeter square. Now radius of a bigger sector. Which is bigger sector here? Sector A, P, C, Q is a bigger sector, no? Radius of a bigger sector is length of a diagonal of a square. Okay, length of a diagonal of a square ABCD, that is 20 root 2, that is given. Area of the shaded region outside the square. See, this is square. Area of the shaded region outside the square means this portion. Square is equal to area of the sector APCQ, APCQ minus area of square ABCD. Area of sector PCQ minus area of ABCD. Okay, so that is all given. We have to fill here. Area of sector PCQ. Area of sector PCQ is APCQ, that is formula, no? Theta by 360 multiplied by r square. This is formula for sector minus area of square ABCD. ABCD. That is, here we have to, this is the formula, so we have to put formula only. Side square. Okay. This is, they substitute the values. 90 by 90 is angle. Square of a angle, say all are 90 in measure, no? So 90 by 360 multiplied by pi is 3.14. R is, here it is given. See, radius of a bigger sector, length of a diagonal of a square, that is 20 root 2. Okay. Multiplied by, this is side square, that is 20 square. This is given. Now we have to substitute this, this thing. We have to simplify. Here only we can simplify. See, 0, 0 gone. 9 ones are 9. 4 times, no? Here, this is 20. So, here only we can do, see, this is 3.14, we'll do like this. 3.14, see, this is 3.14 into, this is 20 square. This is 20 square is, 20 is 400. 400 multiplied by root 2. This is 20 square. No, this is square. Root 2 whole square. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 is how much? See, root 2 multiplied by root 2, that is root 4. That is 2, no? So multiplying by 2 divided by, see, divided by 4 is remain here. So divided by 4. 4 ones are 400 times. This is gone. So here it is easy to this thing. 3.14 multiplied by this thing. 3.14 multiplied by 100 means what? Add 2 0. Now put decimal point. 2 means this 0 gone, 2 0 gone, multiplied by 2. So 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. 628 answer. Okay. First we have to fill here. This is how much it has come. So it has come 628. Okay. This is 628 minus this is whole thing is 628. This is 20 square is, this is 400. So 628 minus 400. 8 2 2. 228. 228. This is 228 is the area, that is centimeter square you have to put. Okay. Then last, total area of the shaded region. Total area of the shaded region. One is 86. What is 86 here? Area of the shaded region inside the circle. Area of this shaded region. This is 86. That is 86 plus area of the shaded region outside the circle. This is, see, area of the shaded region outside the circle is how much? 628. This is what we found out. No, see, now area of the shaded region outside the square is, this is 628. That is, we have to add. So total area of the shaded region that we have to add, that is 314 square centimeter. This is all given here. It is not necessary to fill. This is given. So this is the activity of question number 11. Okay. Question number 12. In this figure, two circles with center O and P are touching internally at point A. Okay, at point A. If BQ, see this BQ, see here it is, this is BQ. This point is BQ. BQ is 9, DE is 5. Complete the following activity of the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle, radii of the circle. Solution, let the radius of the bigger circle be R. Okay, see this is bigger circle with center O and this is smaller circle with center P. The circles, bigger circle and smaller circle, they touch each other internally at point A. So the radius of the bigger circle be R and that smaller circle be small r. Okay. Now OA, OA, OB, OC and OD are the radii of the bigger circle. Okay. Therefore OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to R. Okay. That is same, no, radii. Now PQ, PQ is equal to PA. PQ equal to PA. This is the center of the smaller circle. PQ equal to PA. No, the radii of the smaller circle. P equal to PA. PA equal to PQ equal to PA is smaller r. No, that is OQ, OB. OQ is this. OQ is OB minus BQ. No, OB minus the OQ. This, see, this is OQ is OB minus BQ. No, that is, this is OQ is OB, OB minus BQ. OB is the, see, radius of the bigger circle. This is OB is R. So let's write here R minus BQ. BQ is 9. Similarly, OE. OE is equal to OD minus DE. No, OD. OD is R minus DE. DE is 5. Radius of the larger circle and 9. And radius of the, here also radius of the larger circle minus 5. Now, as the chords QA chord, it's a QA and EF. QA and EF. See, QA and EF, smaller circle, okay, of the circle with center P, intersect in the interior of the circle. They intersect, no, QA and EF are there intersecting inside the circle. So by the property of internal division of two chords of a circle, that is OQ multiplied by OA equal to OE multiplied by OF. OQ multiplied by OA, see, OQ multiplied by OA equal to OE multiplied by OF. That is OQ. Here it is, OQ is R minus 9. Substitute the values, R minus 9 multiplied by OA is R. OA is bigger R. OE. OE is R minus 5 multiplied by OF. OF is OE equal to OF. OE equal to OF. OE is R minus 5. That is OE equal to OF. That is same, R minus 5 multiplied by R minus 5. That is here R square multiplying R minus 9 into R. R square minus 9R. See, R square minus 9R equal to, here you have to multiply this. See, this is here, this is multiplying R square. When you R minus 5 multiplied by R minus 5, next step is, see, this is R square, okay, minus 1 is R square. Next you have to multiply with R. R square minus 5R, then minus R, again 5R, minus 5R, minus plus 25, plus 25. So this is R square minus 10R plus 25. See, this is what here, R square minus 10R plus 25. This is a, so this is the answer. Okay, so therefore R is, we have to see, this is R. We have to see here. See, this R gone. This is, see, if you bring it to the left hand side, this becomes plus. Now remaining is minus 9R, and this minus 10R, bring it to the left hand side, becomes plus 10R. Okay, equal to this equal sign, write 25 as it is. Minus become minus R, minus 9R plus 10R. This is 1R. No, R is 25. Therefore R is 25. Now here AQ equal to 2R, that is AB minus BQ. Okay, this is 2R. 50 minus 9 is 41. Therefore R is, see, this is 2r equal to 41. Therefore, r is 41 by 2. This is the fill in the blanks. Now multiply, divide. That is 2 2s are 4, gone no. Then 1 is not going, 0. 0.1 by 20.1, 10, 5 times. Okay. So students, I've solved in problem set 7 till 12. Okay. So that the problem set 7 has got over. That means whole geometry has got over. Okay. So if you have any doubt, or if you want me to explain anything in this geometry part, SSC Maths part second, if you want me to explain anything in this geometry, do let me know in the comment section if you have any confusion. Okay. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're watching my video for the first time. Also like and share with your friends and classmates. Okay. So okay then, bye.